Thunderstorms likely in the morning. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
And got some storms rolling into Tornado Alley, Texas here. And just going to try to intercept it and just see what's going on with it. As you can see, it's clouds all the way around. Just going to see if I can catch it somehow and run into the smoke of it.
West Texas Mesonet observations. Recenter 75 degrees, dew point 67, with a north-northwest wind at 3 miles an hour.
Getting a little bit of rain here, but not a whole lot.
4 inches. It was 76 at Fire, dew point 68, with a southwest wind at 8. Precipitation today 0.61 inches. Northwest level was 75, dew point 68, wind southeast at 6. Precipitation today 0.53 inches. Average was 76, dew point 61, wind south-southeast at 6. Floyd item 74, dew point 68, with a south wind of 15. Precipitation today 0.55 inches. It was 79 at Slayton, dew point 69, with a south-southeast wind at 14. Precipitation today 0.08 inches. Level land 76, dew point 66.
Looks like we're getting kind of out of it right now.
Precipitation today 0.72 inches.
Be some heavy ones coming this way.
66,
so
with a south wind at
I'm going to go ahead and keep driving away and see what becomes of it.
Brownfield 80, dew point 64, with a southwest wind at 10. Precipitation today 0.06 inches. Tahoka 80, dew point 72, with a south-southeast wind at 17. Precipitation today 0.11 inches.
You can see over here that it's really coming down.
Precipitation today 0.22 inches. It was 74 at Denton, dew point 67, with a southwest wind at 7. Precipitation today 1.62 inches. It was 78 at sundown, dew point 64, with a south wind at 6. Precipitation today 0.40 inches. Plains was 77, dew point 63, wind southwest at 4. Precipitation today 0.30 inches. At Morton, it was 75, dew point 60, wind southeast at 5. Dora, 81, dew point 21, southeast at 4. Tatum, 81, dew point 38, north at 5.
It's really coming down over there.
This is meteorologist John Lipe. An upper trough of low pressure along the west coast will continue throughout this weekend. Out ahead of that trough, we continue to be under the influence of southwest winds aloft, and at the surface, a very moist tropical moisture flowing into our region from the southeast. As a result, we will continue to see the dry line nearly stationary in our region, perhaps on the Texas-New Mexico state line this afternoon, and again in the same area Saturday and Sunday afternoon and evenings. To the east of that dry line, we expect scattered thunderstorms. Winds aloft and surface instability will remain more than sufficient for the formation of supercells, which means the potential for severe weather with locally heavy rain, especially in the late afternoon and evening hours. Specifically with regard to this afternoon and evening, short-term convective models suggest that storms will develop on the southwest to northeast axis from the southwestern South Plains up across Lubbock and Plainview area toward the south central and southeast panhandle. Storms should increase in numbers and coverage after 3 to 4 p.m. and may start training along that same axis. Last night we saw very heavy rain access from west of Loveland, east toward northern Lubbock County, and then north and northeast into the southeast panhandle near Catwalk Canyon State Park. Locations within that corridor saw rainfall amounts as high as 6 inches west of Loveland, but more commonly 2 to 3.5 inches. The storms that could form this afternoon and evening those same areas. So there will be the potential for additional localized flooding. Our best advice is simply stay tuned to the weather throughout this coming weekend, especially if you have outdoor activities planned. Large hail and heavy rains are the primary threat with the thunderstorms, but damaging winds and tornadoes, while not likely, are certainly possible. Thank you for listening. Have a great afternoon. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Lubbock and vicinity. Today, mostly cloudy. Thunderstorms likely in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe with large hail and heavy rainfall in the afternoon. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with large hail and heavy rainfall until midnight.
Really coming down now.
Locally heavy rainfall possible until midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of thunderstorms. Highs around 80. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Memorial Day, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Monday night, mostly clear with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs around 80. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Thursday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the South Plains, rolling plains, and the far southern Texas Panhandle. For this afternoon and tonight, strong to severe storms are possible this afternoon and evening as
looks like I'm right under this one.
Along the Highway 385 corridor. Expect hail up to the size of tennis balls, strong wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour, and locally heavy rainfall that could result in localized flooding with the strongest thunderstorm activity. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Daily chances for severe storms are expected Saturday through Monday, as an active pattern continues across much of the region. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be requested this afternoon through tonight for much of the South Plains and rolling plains. This is a flood watch. The National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a flood watch for portions of northwest Texas and the Panhandle of Texas, including the following areas in northwest Texas: Bailey, Childress, Cochran, Cottle, Crosby, Dickens, Floyd, Garza, Hale, Hogley, Kent, King, Lamb, Lubbock, Lynn, Motley, Stonewall, Terry, and Yoakum. In the Panhandle of Texas, Briscoe, Castro, Hall, Palmer, and Swisher. Through Saturday morning, additional rounds of thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon and tonight. Training of thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall will have the potential to create flooding on roadways and low-lying areas. Rainfall of 3 to 5 inches with locally higher amounts is possible on the already saturated ground. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in poor drainage areas should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
This other storm watch coming.
This is a flood advisory for the following county: Lubbock, Texas. The The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a flood advisory for Lubbock County in northwestern Texas until 2:30 p.m. At 12:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lubbock, Abernathy, Wolford, Shallowater, Idlew, Texas Tech University, Lubbock International Airport, downtown Lubbock, and Woodrow. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is possible.
I'm going to go ahead and end this video until I can get positioned.
Will result in minor flooding.
Once I get positioned,
then I'll river or stream flows are elevated or ponding of water in
God appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.